The parent material for these soils was deposited by flowing and turbulent water, usually during the glacial era, but also as recent alluvial deposits. Sand and gravel soils tend to occur on terraces within larger valleys and their margins. They may also occur as alluvial fans near the mouths of smaller tributary streams, where they enter larger valleys. The finer silt and clay particle sizes are in relatively low amounts due to their being carried away by flowing water that laid down the deposit. Pebbles or cobbles are usually rather rounded from countless abrasions while tumbling along ancient stream beds. Sands and loamy sand deposits can be some of the most suitable soils for effective wastewater treatment, as long as the water table is fairly deep. The lower amount of silt and clay particles makes for larger, connected pores, giving these soils high permeability to water and air. This soil has gravelly loam texture and well-expressed blocky structure in the upper subsoil, which would have moderate permeability. In sand and gravel soils, the highest permeability or percolation rate tends to occur in lower parts of the soil profile. The loose, structureless, very coarse textured sand or gravel horizons in the lower subsoil can have permeabilities too rapid to allow proper treatment of wastewater. Pollutants can sometimes travel long distances once they enter rapidly moving groundwater or surface waters. Here, a 2 mm sieve is used to exclude gravel and help determine the texture of soil materials, which in this case is very gravelly, loamy, coarse sand. As a quick relative indicator of how much silt and clay exist in coarse sand and gravel layers, it is sometimes helpful to check the extent to which moist subsoil materials stain the hands when rubbed. Little or no staining implies very low amounts of fines and a low capacity for wastewater renovation. When blue dye is added to this soil, it follows flow paths that are relatively vertical. Besides flowing around structural aggregates, it also penetrates the soil matrix, reaching depths of 5 feet.